What kind of marketing strategies have you used to grow LesIsMore Productions LLC?
One thing I want to do is I'm not sure if we clearly define what marketing is.
Okay.
And so I do want to touch on that a little bit, if you don't mind. What a lot of people do these days, they advertise. Advertising is a subset of marketing. It's not fully marketing. And so basically my take on marketing is I am trying to solve a problem. And the money and the response that I want to get from that part is a byproduct. The money's going to come. Right. But one thing I'm learning, and I think I heard this on a Chris Doe podcast once, but basically people are inherently out for themselves. People are not out here looking for I sell words or LesIsMore Production to give money to. They're not trying to give us money. What they are trying to do is to solve a problem. I am having problems with copywriting. I'm having problems with graphics, blah, blah, blah. Can you help me solve this problem? We say yes. And then we say, okay, but in order to solve this problem, this is how much we expect to be compensated for. And so my overall strategy in marketing at this point is to really focus on the client and solving their problem. Okay. And if I can do that effectively, I'm going to get the results that I'm looking for. Because one of the things I used to do when I would market my business, and I still do a lot of stuff on social media, but I would put my prices on there. I would come out with different deals and I put the pricing. The problem with that is that's when you start to become a commodity. You got this price, and then people start to nitpick at the price. That's what you bring to them from the forefront. Hey, the price is the most important thing. And then they say, what if I could get it a little cheaper? But now my approach is I'm asking questions. I'm trying to diagnose the whole situation. Okay, what do you really need?
Right.
Why do you need it? Okay, and then I write a prescription. I say, okay, this is what we can do based on what you told me.